Yeah, it's the morning of my birthday, and I just rolled over. Just literally just woke up. I had to use the bathroom, but my husband ain't in the bed, so when you wake up, you be looking for your husband. So I'm leaning over, trying to look over his room over there. I don't see him, right? But I'm steady looking, right? So I get to lean a little further. I'm gonna show y'all how I was looking. I get to lean a little further. I just opened the blind so y'all can see me. I get to lean a little further. Looking. I'm looking. And I see that on the floor right there. I'm like, now why is some damn tater chips on the floor? So I look a little further, realize it ain't no tater chips. Now y'all excuse me, cause I got one eyelash on trial. I done slipped my eyelash off, okay? I done slipped that eyelash off, okay? But anyway, so I get to leaning this way, and I look, and it's some more over here. So now we got to go see where these rose petals leads to. Cause my husband done did something. Now, if we get in here and he ain't got no clothes on, I'm already gonna let you know. We gotta cut, okay, from there. But I don't know what's going on cause my husband ain't never, ever, ever laid some rose petals out for me to leave, go somewhere, wherever it's going. So, let's go see what these petals going. They stop here. Good morning, honey. Good morning, honey.
Check me out. You see?
I see you, man. I see you now. I see you.
You know what I'm saying?
Good, babe. I woke up. I
I'll
said,
call you back, El.
huh?
Oh. Well, what you got to say?
You got me on speakerphone?
Yeah, you on speakerphone.
Hey, listen here.
Huh?
You got all this money buying these damn new trucks. I need to test drive that damn truck, see if it's safe.
I know that's real, Em.
You know y'all don't know nothing about no damn vehicle.
Motherfucker ride smooth as shit.
It's smooth as hell, though.
Ride smooth as.
I'm glad y'all got one.
Me too. We sure needed one.
Yeah, so when I call for y'all to goddamn help me move my shit from Level Plains to down here, I don't want to get shit now.
We got you. We got you. You helped us, so you know we're gonna help you.
Yeah, come on here, but it ain't gonna be much. Just a couple clothes and maybe that TV.
My I thought you was finna say happy birthday or something.
Your birthday?
Yeah,
My birthday is today.
Okay, well, happy birthday. I didn't know. I didn't tell me nothing about that.
Oh, my bad.
Man, I've been
Thank
saying
you.
this all week. Father's Day.
Yeah, no, you ain't told me shit. You might have told them my email nigga, but you
Happy Father's Day to you too.
Stepfather.
appreciate it.
Stepfather. He'll father first, but don't forget stepfather.
Make that nigga get off his ass and take you to somewhere beside goddamn Applebee's.
Ooh, my wife don't mind. Listen, bro, she don't bake the. She do one thing I know. She don't break the bank. She make the bank.
So don't.
Yeah, I'm in here cooking breakfast right now.
Okay. Got it made this morning, child. I get up out the bed.
Listen, Amp, listen this.
Look, Amp, I roll over looking for him. He ain't in the bed, so I'm over here trying to see if he in his man cave. I don't see him, so I get to leaning over a little further trying to see him. I'm like, damn, why is it tater chips all on the damn floor? I get up. They done got some flowers, some rose petals from the bed all the way to here.
I got a video on my phone.
Hey, so what you telling me is I'm starting to rub off on the nigga.
Oh, okay, well, if you is, you better keep on doing what you doing.
Man, nobody want to hear that shit, man. You know what? I showed you what that was, man.
I know that's right, babe. I sure appreciate it.
Hey, I be trying to help low key, low key. I tell you, I recorded. I'm gonna tell you when I got to work anyway tomorrow.
You sure was sneaky. I ain't hear nothing.
Yeah, I'm creeping. I gonna tell you when I got to work anyway.
You know what they show?
What?
Growth.
Maturity and growth, my boy.
Growth.
I'm working on it. Don't change. That don't happen overnight. I'm working on it.
It don't, but it show you taking a damn good step in faith.
Sure lives now. I don't know what you talking about, but y'all need to sure keep talking about it.
Stay out of grown folk business. I talk to this nigga every day, hell.
Yeah, my boy, I be trying to get him in the right direction.
I sure appreciate it, honey.
I be trying to get there, Amp. I'm trying.
I see it.
I be trying. I'm working on it. Oh, babe, we gotta go to L House. When 25th, 26, right?
Oh, yeah. Listen, fish fry, on 26, right? Next time I go to 26.
He said a fish fry
Yeah.
in his house?
Yeah.
Oh,
26.
okay.
How about rock goddamn laying down rose petals and
You do shit like that, nigga?
I'm jealous. I wish somebody do that for me.
I'm working on it.
Look, I guess both of them working on it.
I'll be so shocked that ever happened. I told him ever cook unless it's a blue damn moon.
Girl,
I don't cook at all.
Girl, don't feel bad. You know, I hate to say something, but I can't talk this morning now.
I know that's real. Keep it home happy. Keep it happy, honey.
Girl, I know that's right. I ain't gonna talk about him today, cause look, he might decide to cook again, so I can't say nothing today, but I'll tell you tomorrow. I know that's right.
I don't know, brother. Yes, I can't tell you yet. Well, no garlic powder?
Please, no garlic in the grits.
But I tried to. They her day today, man.
Girl, I woke up and seen the damn rose petals. I leaned over, see them on the floor. I'm like, why in the hell is it tater chips on the floor? I'm thinking some damn tater chips was on the floor. I get up, girl. He done led the flowers all the way from the bedroom to the doggone dining room. You better go on, babe.
You need your ass.
While y'all at work, he and her together.
We always do. We talk junk all day. You know, you can hear me talking junk all day. Shit, I learned some of these things from him.
I'm a little jealous. I ain't never had nothing like that before.
He ain't on the broom. You ain't even married yet. Alright, well, at least you do cook. Elp, I give you high five for that.
Look, girl, don't be jealous. I'm 9 years in, and this the first time, okay?
Well, damn.
These help cook. I don't cook, man. I don't cook. I don't do no cooking.
Hey, it took some time, but I can't complain.
I don't do no cooking. Kitchen's not for me.
Before she can tell you.
Cooking not for me. Well,
All right, I'm gonna let y'all go.
All right, y'all have a good one.
All right, y'all be good.
One.
All right. So, honey.
What's up, man?
Happy Father's Day for one.
Tell you like I told them people at Walmart, I got them damn children.
Happy Father's Day.
Baby. Get you some goddamn cat or dog or something. I said, nah.
Who said that?
Cat, I call Cat.
You a great father. You was a great father, baby.
I ain't putting no more water in there nothing.
Babe, you was over here cooking grits, though.
Motherfuckers ain't done now. I don't know what to tell you.
You a great father, honey.
What the cheese for?
Babe, why you over here ignoring us? Don't be ignoring us. Tell the family good morning or something.
I got things to do. I ain't got time to be on no camera talking to y'all folks. I'm trying to sit down. Shit. Yeah, like I want to be in the kitchen 4 hours.
Oh, so you making me some grit. What you cooking me?
Same thing I cook every time for breakfast.
What?
Nothing different.
What you
I didn't
making?
want to make no grits this morning, tell you the truth.
I know you didn't, but you look like you don't know what you doing this time.
No, I just put less. I keep pouring water in there. Hope I got less grit. I don't want too many grits.
It's always easy to make too many grits, but babe, look at your grits, how they turning out.
Girl, them all ain't did nothing.
Babe, your grits looking good. At least they ain't lumpy. If you still got a little while to cook, only thing you gotta do is add your little extra water to it and just let it just cook. That way you ain't got to really.
Keep bubbling now.
Yeah, add you some more water to it. Just make it a little bit thinner. It's gonna be a lot anyway. It's hard to make a little bit of grits. If you make a little bit of grits, just try putting just 1 cup of grits and 2 cups of water or something like that. I don't really know how to measure.
That's too watery.
Or a half too watery. They perfect. I don't like no. That ain't watery. That ain't watery. There, you trying to make them come off the spoon. Water is when they running off the spoon.
That's what you get from Jack's all the time.
Yeah, that's water.
Your favorite grits?
No, them your favorite grits.
Nah, I just go there because I got good cheese breakfast. What you want, man? What you want? What bothers me?
So, what made you do the flowers, honey?
Yeah, that made me do it. I just did it because I wanted to.
I gotta get me another vase because you done bought me 2 bundles of flowers. I don't know when I'm finna put them all in. I gotta sit them in the refrigerator till I get me another. Oh, I gotta get me another vase. Well, if I use that vase, then that means that you gotta start keeping me some flowers.
That's all right.
So what made you? You know, threw me a little path to on in here. Just a little song.
Yeah, I don't be, don't be thinking that be something now.
It don't mean.
I just put the petals out on the damn ground.
God damn! It means something to us though as women. I woke up. I say, let's go see where it's going. I thought you was gonna be in here butt naked. I told him, I said, if he in here butt naked, we're gonna have to cut the camera.
Making some breakfast.
That's right. Look, and I know I must have woke up too fast because
You ain't smell nothing.
yeah, I ain't smell nothing. I said, dang, I must have woke up too fast. I don't smell nothing in here, and I heard you in the kitchen.
See what you had to do for one.
But at least I ain't catch you in the middle of doing your flowers and stuff, the rose petals and all that.
Yeah,
Good.
that's what I want to do.
Oh, you
I
did?
did that, but 2 of them fell out. Cal on the goddamn phone talking my nerve, get on my damn nerve, talking to me to them.
Who?
Cal, I talked to what you call Cal. I had to get on there, both of them this morning about the stepfather treatment.
Oh.
I had to check in this morning.
Oh.
I was gonna get them a shirt made, but I told man that my check too small to get you a shirt made. Never one stepdaddies in the world.
You. But yeah. But you're a great father. You're a great father, a great daddy. Cause you my daddy. You take good care of me, ain't it, babe?
I try to.
My husband is a good daddy. He take good care of me. His big baby.
I bet you like to keep stirring these grits.
What you scared? You about to burn them or something? Why you stirring them?
I don't want them greedy.
Oh, that's not what makes them gritty. When they gritty, that means that you can cook them long enough. Add your water. I'm telling you,
I need no more water now, goddamn.
But they thick, they popping like that. The water gonna cook out. By the time you done cooking the sausage and pancakes and stuff, that water gonna be done cooked out. Just put you some more water in there, cause that's what's gonna keep them.
Give me eggs out the fridge.
That's No,
I'm gonna get the fuck out my face.
I know, but I'm just helping you. So pour all of it. Just pour all of it. I promise, pour all of it. It's gonna cook out. Babe, I know how to cook grits, honey. Just pour it out. Yeah, there you go. You want them like that. They gotta cook. They ain't gonna cook if you don't add enough water. It's gonna cook out. And you ain't gotta keep standing there just stirring like that. When you do it like that. Go on, add your little butter. You put some milk in them?
Put butter in there. You don't milk in there?
Yes, we do, baby. Did I use all that? Dang, I used all the heavy. Oh, right here. Here, put that heavy cream in there. You pour all that in there. And that's going to be perfect. You say you ain't got no butter?
What?
You say you ain't have no butter?
Oh.
You.
I got one stick of butter right here.
Oh.
What is it? Grease?
Yeah.
That's grease?
Yeah. So here goes. Yeah, that's beef grease, and we got bacon grease right there.
Oh, I thought so.
Yeah.
You should let it pour the water in there, man. I gotta put grease.
It's okay, honey. I'm telling you, it's gonna cook. That's how you want it. Just watch and see. Just watch and see. You just started cooking them? Huh? How long you been cooking them?
About 40 minutes.
This fine. Just pour all that in there. Pour it on it. Pour it in there.
Come on, man.
I bet you gotta learn. You doing it, so you gonna learn. You gonna see. These gonna be the best grits you ever made.
I got that. I got water and cream. Look it out.
It's gonna be okay. They not done. When they done, they not gonna be like that, honey. Gonna put your butter, your cheese up in there. Okay, everything gonna get cooking and it's gonna be alright. You can leave it down on low. You ain't gotta turn it on high.
Don't put no cheese in there.
This the cheese right here for it.
What you want that cheese for?
That's cause we ain't got no yellow cheese, and that cheese is just as. No, I don't like that cheese and grits. It tastes.
It's the same.
No, it's not. It's
thing.
nasty. I don't like shredded cheese and grits, y'all. It's nasty to me. I'll just sprinkle it on top, but I don't like it mixed in because it tastes like sharp cheddar. But yes, your girl is 38. Baby, this is a pretty balloon here. I like this one. The clear one. 30. I got to feel it. 38. 30. But didn't you buy me one of these one year? What year you bought?
Sure, you get one every year. Same year. Don't make no difference.
Oh.
37, you got a 37. 38, you 38. What's about that?
Yeah, I like that one. I want to feel it.
Tomorrow, I feel that.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, honey. So I don't know what today is gonna hold, but